DNA testing for South African ID application. The short answer. Genetic testing can be conducted through the National Health Laboratory Service or a private DNA testing company. The long answer. If your mother is from Lesotho and your late father was South African, you may need to undergo a DNA test to support your application for a South African ID. According to current law, if you were born outside South Africa and one of your parents is South African, you may claim citizenship by descent, provided your birth was registered. Citizenship in South Africa can be obtained through birth, descent, or naturalization. Since your father was South African, you may qualify for citizenship by birth, but you will need a birth certificate to apply. If your birth was not registered within 30 days, you will need to apply for a late birth registration. This process can be complex and involves an interview with Home Affairs, which may have a long waiting period due to backlogs. Required documents include DHA 24 LRB proof of birth affidavit explaining the reasons for late registration, biometrics, fingerprints of parent ID, passport of parent. For inquiries about birth certificates, you can reach the Department of Home Affairs at hotline 0800-6011-90, email hacc@dha.gov.za. Regarding the DNA test, every individual inherits half of their DNA from each parent. If your father has passed away, you may consider testing siblings or relatives, as this can help confirm your biological connection to him. DNA testing options. 1. National Health Laboratory Service. Testing is available at various sampling centers across the country. The cost is approximately $1,200 per person. 2. Private companies. Legal DNA tests are essential for citizenship applications. For example, OGNE Diagnostics. Charges are $1,932 per person for a legal kinship test. OEasyDNA offers DNA testing at around $4,795, ensuring compliance with the required chain of custody. Key steps for legal DNA testing. 1. Ordering. Request a DNA sample kit from the testing company. 2. Sample collection. A neutral third party, such as a medical professional, must collect the samples. 3. Documentation. Bring identification and passport-sized photos for verification. 4. Chain of custody. Ensure that the testing company follows strict procedures to maintain the integrity of the results. To book an appointment with Home Affairs, please visit and access the branch appointment booking system.